Hello all, welcome back to our Aislyn Technologies YouTube channel. Today, we're going to see about sign language gestures and sentence recognition and translation in Indian Sign Language. Our abstract is human gestures is a non-verbal form of communication and critical in human-robot interaction. Vision-based gestures recognition method play a key role to detect hand motion and support such interaction. And then hand gesture recognition allows convenient, unusable interface between device and users. And hand gestures recognition is not only useful for people who are hearing impaired or disabled, but also the people who experience the stroke, as they need to communicate with other people using different common essential gestures, such as sign of eating, drinking, and family, and more. In this paper, we are going to approach for recognition of hand gestures based on CNN. They developed the method is evaluated and comparability citing of testing models based on the several metrics such as execution time, accuracy, sensitivity, predict value, likelihood, and root mean square. The result shows that test accuracy is lifetime using CNN and this effective technique to extract distinct features and classifying data. Our introduction of but communication channels based on models such as mouse, keyboard, people touchscreen and direct contact methods. Human-human connection is accomplished through more natural and intuitive non-contact methods, for example, sound and physical methods. The difficult and the cost of wearable sensors are restricted per these are defined as a virtual computer to understand the distance and perform certain tasks based on those gestures. The main goal of gesture recognition is to develop a system that can identify and understand specific gestures and communicates information from it. And gesture recognition methods, both on non-contact visual inspections, are currently popular due to their low cost and convenience to user. Hand gestures is a expressive communication method used in healthcare, entertainment, and experiential industry in addition to assist user with special needs on the empathy. Sign language uses hand gestures to convey feelings or information within the hearing impairment communication. The main problem is that the ordinary person can easily misunderstand the meaning conveyed. The advancement of the AI and computation can be adopted to recognize and learn more sign language. The modern system can help an ordinary person to recognize and understand sign language. This article presents a method which is related to recognition of human gestures using deep learning. I explain the problem statement. In our country, around 30% of people are not able to speak. That's why they are come. That's they are come. The communication with others are only using the motion of their hands and expression. Objective. Indian hand gestures can be used for various ways, which makes it able to implement for communication further. Indian Sign Language recognition is not only useful for people who are near impaired or disabled, but also the people who experience the stroke, as they need to communicate with other people using different common essential gestures such as saying of eat, drink, happy. Now I'll show you the approach chart about I'll show you a proposed system. That's our approach chart so that you have a good understanding. Yeah, what I have done is we have took a real-time data and we have preposed that preposed in a framework. We are turning into 3D to 4D tensors to give into the model and we are segmented that. And this full process or will be able to view the model. We will use the model. This is a real CNN model. And then we are doing the trained model with the testing code. Using the using the AI, we could predict the real-time sign language. That's what happening again. Now I'll show you the code. Yeah, these are code for numbers. These are numbers what you are applying. These are the essay. That's the training code. I'll show you the training code now. Shall we have it? Yeah, this is our training code. Here we will leave the model here and then based on this our saved model to predict our real-time and sign language. This is our data set given here. That's it. Now new testing code here. Okay. You know, both of them are here, at least the full point for the testing numbers. So train tomorrow. I'll run this now. And see this one. This one will look at axis 8 and 6 3. Just 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. It was zero. Now it should be the column. Now it should be for letters. See particles. This of the string code here. First of all, let us set up after these. Yeah, so let us set I train the person. Excited, excited. Show me this. So train the mode of Bitcoin methods. I run this now. So train the mode. So train the mode based on a matrix. Run this now. So that's it. That's it. Yes. So the classic one. This is L. And this is N. This is C. This is W. This is nice for him. Thank you for watching our Aislyn Technologies channel. I hope this project finds you well. We are able to regarding the project. Comment below in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.